Hey learners, welcome back to the channel where maths becomes simple and fun. If equations ever felt tricky, today you'll see how easy they can be. Grab your notebook because we're solving 1/2 minus 8 is equal to 0 step by step. If you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, I encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you find this video helpful, like and share. Now, let's solve the equation 1/2x² minus 8 equals 0. First, let's remove the fraction. Fractions can be annoying, right? So let's clear it out. Multiply the whole equation by 2. Watch carefully. 2 by 1/2x² minus 8 by 2 is equal to 0 by 2. Now let's do actual multiplication. 2 times 1/2x² will give us 1x². 2 times -8 will give us -16. 0 by 2 will give us 0. Next, let's rearrange by putting like terms together. Let's move 16 to the other side. That gives us x² is equal to 16. Thereafter, take the square root of both sides. Remember, square roots give us two answers, positive and negative. So the square root of x² is x, and the square root of 16 is positive or -4. These two numbers are our solutions. Now let's quickly check whether the solutions we have found will complete the equation. Let's start with +4. The equation is 1/2x² minus 8 is equal to 0. Next, we replace x by +4, and we will have 1/2 minus 8 is equal to 0. We write 1/2 first, then evaluate 4 squared, which will give us 16 minus 8 equals 0. We evaluate 1/2 times 16 will give us 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. 8 minus 8 will give us 0, which is equal to 0. Since the equation has balanced, that means +4 is correct. Perfect! Now check if x equals -4 is correct too. 1/2 minus 8 is equal to 0. Next, we replace x by -4, and we will have 1/2 minus 8 is equal to 0. We write 1/2 first, then evaluate -4 squared, which will give us 16 minus 8 equals 0. We evaluate 1/2 times 16 will give us 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. 8 minus 8 will give us 0, which is equal to 0. Since the equation has balanced, that means -4 is correct too. Both answers work. That's how we know we're correct. Equations like this pop up everywhere in mathematics, physics, when calculating energy, in finance, when modeling growth, even in computer science when programming simulations. So solving them isn't just about exams, it's about real-world problem solving. Here's a quick challenge for you. Solve 1/3 x² minus 12 equals 0. Drop your answer on the comments below, and I will pin the correct solution for everyone to see. If this step-by-step breakdown made maths feel easier, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and share this video with a friend who needs a boost in algebra. Remember, learning is a journey, and here we make it fun.